What if a completely soft, air-powered heart could beat in your chest like the real thing? This heart never calls in sick, never needs PTO, and never files expense reports. It just keeps beating. As a researcher, today you'll see how engineers traded metal gears for inflatable chambers and a Teflon-style coating to build a hybrid heart. Right now, millions of people with end-stage heart failure are basically stuck on never-ending wait lists. Only about 5,000 donor hearts show up each year. And the artificial hearts we've got now, they're still built like old-school gadgets with metal parts and clunky electronics that end up infecting more than half of patients and causing dangerous blood clots in nearly 1 out of 5. So how did the team actually pull this off? They first 3D printed 2 soft silicone balloons and a central inflatable wall, the septum, to mimic your heart's 2 ventricles and muscle. They then wrapped inextensible wires around both chambers so that when the septum inflates, it squeezes them in perfect sync. Next, every blood-contacting surface received a heparin-based Teflon-like coating, causing platelets to roll right off, just like water sliding off a treated windshield. To power the pump, tiny wireless vents cycle air automatically, like a self-timing garden sprinkler, inflating one chamber as another deflates, all without any hoses. But enough talk. Let's see if this soft pump actually delivers. In a mock circulatory loop, the built heart hit 5.7 liters per minute at 60 beats per minute, matching a chilled-out adult. What's pretty cool is when it sensed a high pressure, it increased the flow, just like a smart sprinkler that senses dry spots and waters more. They then transplanted it into a goat for 50 minutes, and it kept a steady 2.3 liters per minute under real blood pressures, with 0 clots or breakdowns, totally outperforming the average 20% clot of old school metal and motor pumps. These results were published less than a month ago in Nature Communications as a soft robotic total artificial hybrid heart, marking the first proof of concept for a fully soft, air-powered heart that truly mimics natural cardiac motion. This is definitely an impressive paper. One cool recommendation that I would suggest the authors would be to test it in pigs, because pigs have very similar heart geometry and beats per minute as humans. And now the meme of the week. Thanks for watching. If you're pumped by this soft, air-powered heart, hit subscribe and check out our video on how spider silk reinvents hearts.